Yo, guys, welcome to this video. This video can change your life. I'm going to literally give you guys how to promote an offer that is the number one offer right now and will be for a long flipping time. Okay, I'm going to tell you exactly what to do. Okay, so we go to Men's Health section. This is called SellHealth. Now, they give the highest commission for this offer. Okay, so this offer is called Semenax. It's a pretty interesting offer. Okay, I bet you've tried it before. Okay, I've never tried this offer at all. Maybe when I'm an old man, I don't know. But at the end of the day, this offer makes money with adult right now. It's crazy, okay? This offer is making me money right now. So the commissions is 40%, okay, and you get up to $160 per sale. I've noticed personally it's around 90 to 120, okay, you're getting every single sale. Now, that's just me. Okay, here's the offer, baby. So this offer is literally called Semenax. You can make good money promoting this, and the profit margins can be 2x all the way to 5x promoting this with paid traffic. Okay, I'm going to tell you exactly what to do. So you get your affiliate link, you get advertising resources. They literally give you ads to use. They give you alternative links where you can link to alternatively, but I just link straight with this right here. I take the ads that they already have, okay, right here, and I just use them. I just use the ads and I split test. I see what's getting the highest click-through rate, okay? That's very, very key to understand. Now, the product format, let's see, they get like a lot of freaking bottles, capsules inside each bottle. The countries allowed is basically everything, but these ones not allowed are right here. Target audience suitable for men 21 to 60 who wish to increase sexual pleasure and more orgasm or increase their fertility, which is pretty weird, huh? But I guess it works. Who knows? So this right here, guys, this basically is if you go on SellHealth and you sign up here, it's really easy to sign up for this platform. You can basically promote these offers. This is what they're saying that are the best. So in the section of men's sexual health section, you can promote these offers right here and crush it. Okay, this one apparently has the best. This one, this one, this one. They actually had a newer updated list. I couldn't find it, but Semenax was at the first, and then this one. Okay, but anyway, for women's sexual health, Her Solution and Provestra and Total Curve are the best. Okay, and then anti-aging, testosterone, right there. I don't know why I yelled. Okay, skincare, boom. Those ones right there, those work. This is the offer. Now, to let you guys know how to promote it really well, this thing called SimilarWeb. It's a Chrome extension. You can literally see how much traffic it's getting. It's getting a lot. It's close to 1 million and 1.5 million a month. Okay, so that's a lot. So solely United States, that is the way to go. Solely just that. United States is the way. Mainly referrals is how they're making money. Okay, so it's a great affiliate offer. And the next thing to look at here is straight up inside SimilarWeb. It'll tell you exactly who's referring the most. So the top sites to advertise on is right here. Okay, I'm just advertising right here. Right there, that's the one. Okay, so you just do that. Banner ads, copy the banner ads, get the affiliate link. You can start making money. Okay, and you just want to make sure you're tracking and testing. That's it. Organic and paid keywords right here. These are the ones. Guys, you're gonna make some crazy flipping money. This is just how it works, baby. Also visited websites. You can advertise on these ones. You can advertise on these ones. You could update SimilarWeb if you want and see all these ones. I don't care about updating SimilarWeb. I never have. This is the other offer. It's pretty much the same, I think. But Semenax is performing better now. Okay. And then there's one more way I want to tell you guys how to promote this. You can promote on YouTube. So start doing like reviews of it. Okay. And you can start making good income because it is a big offer. There are people who want to know about it, I guess. And the thing is, if you make a review video, they're coming to get a review and click through your link and buy. So literally do that. You will see money. Okay. Make a blog about it. Do a bunch of marketing around it. Do SEO for it. Okay. Do SEO for these keywords right here. Semenax, 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 and Semenax review. You will see money. You will see money. Okay. Yeah, it works. Okay. It works very well. And you will see the money come in. Another way, I wouldn't say Instagram, okay, but literally the two ways I can think of, okay, and thought of for this video is YouTube, make content for it specifically. make at least like 100 videos. You could talk about it, okay? You could go order it through your affiliate link, get a small commission, and then go on YouTube, make a channel specific for it, and review the freaking offer and all the other offers, and you can start making some good money forever. Okay, look, YouTube for social traffic, YouTube's the first. Just like I said, Twitter's the next best. And this is how this offer is making money. I mean, that's the traffic sources. I told you just need to copy the ads and then just promote that normal link and you will make money, man. That's it. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video, Learning Machines. You guys are going to make some money. Okay. And I will see you guys later. Peace out, Learn Machines.